update on us. We're in the middle of the water.
Let's go back to the beginning. Because we have footage of that.
Previously on This Domesticated Diva. See, Mander did come over to help, but she did have a little bit of a caveat in there. She said, I'll come over to help, but she said this to my husband, you need to give me Megan on Saturday. Maybe one of my favorite days ever. Hello beautiful and welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan and I am so grateful you chose to be here with me today. If you're new here today, this video is just part of a series on our second cross-country move. I'll be sure to link to the playlist, The Diva Moves Again, in the description box below so you can catch up on everything that has to do with our second cross-country move in 1 year. But for today, we are taking a much-deserved break from packing. You have to hold the phone like this. There you go.
Okay, let me start it.
Happy dance. Happy dance.
I wish I would have got that. She's going backwards is what she just said. Except for hitting the leafy. Ooh, very nice, very nice, very nice. Look at this place.
In exchange for helping us pack, Nat agreed to let my best friend Manderine steal me for an entire day. So literally days before our actual move, we took an entire day off for our girls' day. But I don't want to spend this entire video talking, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let the footage speak for itself. And if you're currently longing for a water adventure, I'm gonna go ahead and let you live vicariously through me. You're welcome in advance.
I'm here for Megan trying to get a good selfie, I guess 2.0. Wait, she's not doing it. Megan, did you get a selfie already? Alright, did you get a selfie? Okay, I'll have to keep posted.
Our day together was actually only going to be a couple hours, but we kind of turned it into a full day event. I regret nothing. If we hadn't been super organized and productive the weeks prior, it would have been a totally different story. But this wasn't our first rodeo, and I don't mean to brag, but in regards to packing, we were on it. So I'm not sorry for taking a day off and having one of my favorite girls' days ever. And to make it better, one that I didn't plan at all. So for this kayak adventure, Mandarine took me to Oleta River State Park. And I'd never been there before. In fact, I'd never even been to Miami before. Even in the whole year that I lived in Southern Florida, I'd never quite made it out to Miami, and it was on my bucket list. And she knew that, which is why she planned this awesome day. Now, this is only my second time kayaking, but I am quickly becoming obsessed. If you are an avid kayaker, leave me a comment down below and let me know your favorite spots to go, whether that's in the US or out and about. I don't care. I've got to do more of this because it just soothes my soul, to say the least. All right, I'm gonna hope and pray we're both in. Hopefully we're in the shot. So, I don't know, we never filmed an intro, right? We didn't, no. So, update on us, we're in the middle of the water.
It's like a little beach right over there. The skyline. Megan's first time in Miami. Just multiple wonderful things.
Yeah, get this, guys. We have been here for a year, and I have not been to Miami. What?
I'm sort of hoping I get to take her to Wynwood, like if we could squeeze it in, because
And Wynwood is?
It's an art district, so graffiti on the walls, fun little places to eat. This place called Panther Coffee, which is like just, I mean,
She had me at coffee.
totally the megs. Koyo. It's a burrito like taco place, but it's authentic. Like you can legit get cactus. Like I think it's grilled cactus in a burrito.
That sounds amazing, and I'm gonna cry again.
Don't cry. 5 days, and this is what we get. The best time. Here, let me get this, Megan. This is Megan on a boat in the water, next to another boat.
Not because you wouldn't have a problem with moving if I was taking Mandarine with us.
That makes me happy. Like I keep saying, like, well, it's sad you're moving, but I keep saying, like, the minute I finally make a buddy, oh, where'd you go? Oh, there you are. The minute I finally make a buddy, she literally moves cross country. But we're making it like the most that we can, and screw COVID because it really cut out some time. But
Seriously. Hats.
yes, we do.
Hello, sunshine,
Which is
how we text each other every morning.
And sometimes there's sparkle face or something in there too. Sparkle, good morning, sunshine, sparkle like mermaid. Okay, I'm handing you back over.
All right.
Bye. I'm famous now. There's like 1,000 people. Over 1,000. Famous.
All right, we're gonna try to take you along for as much as we can, but we also want to live in the moment. So don't hate me if footage is choppy today.
Too happy to film.
That's right.
Too much fun to film.
Too much fun. All right. Is it a good one?
Look. My nephew playing. He usually.
Just take it with us.
Yours or my boat?
Doesn't matter to me.
You get a cool shot. You
I love it. I love it.
Go. You might want to. Okay, that's better. Stylistically. Oh, by the way, Megan has bugs. We're gonna crack it and see if there's stuff.
All right.
Pretty out. Ready, steady, go! Run, 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 run. comfortable. Thank you.
And instead of helping you, I'm just gonna. Stop it! Megan, I'm claustrophobic. Hi. We are so like relaxed. Like we haven't even really talked in the last like 10 minutes. Just
Except for me cursing a little because I keep bumping into stuff. But we're in the most like beautiful part thus far. It's kind of like
So
a
gorgeous.
canopy.
and we're starting to hear some thunderclouds, so we know we're gonna have to turn in soon, but they're
Megan, you
still a
can't hear
distance off. You know what?
This is why we
More
didn't
things
talk.
to add to my video.
Hey, oh my gosh. Yeah, pay attention for that. That's coming up.
Oh yeah, she's working on it, guys.
I'll give you a hint. There's no gators in the ocean.
Oh my gosh. Peach, my dear.
Thank you.
Cliff bar.
Hey, look, those are barnacles.
Oh my gosh, cool.
You see them?
Mm-hmm.
Is it still on even though I can't see?
Stop the screen.
Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, there's one more. And we're gonna put the bag in here because we're saving turtles and manatees and all the other fishes.
Reef a save a
Oh,
sunscreen.
this was two. Cool.
Megan just said that the turtles can go for themselves.
No! Sea turtles are my favorite.
There's an unfortunate boat tipped over there.
Speaking of sunscreen, I should probably put some more on my legs. Some more reef-friendly sunscreen.
Friendly sunscreen. I can't believe we got this nice of a day.
I really thought it was gonna rain and that we were gonna be like having minimal time.
It was supposed to rain an hour ago.
Yep.
I mean, I don't want to jinx it, but
I mean, look at the sky though.
I know,
beautiful.
it's freaking stunning.
And at this point, we'll be close enough. Like, it's raining.
Yeah, because
I don't mind paddling in the rain a little bit. I just don't want to paddle in thunderstorms. That's all.
I don't do lightning.
And it's reef-friendly sunscreen, so it's okay that I'm washing my hands off in the water.
Because it's alpha. Be friendly to a reef near you. Better not fall with this. You would kill me.
I hope you enjoyed our incredible kayaking adventure at Oleta River State Park. As I'm sure you can tell, I am posting this video much later than it actually happened. So to stay up to date on the current day-to-day stuff going on in my life, make sure to hit me up on Instagram and don't forget to say hello. Whew. I tell you though, Even though I am currently in Nevada, the humidity out here from a recent storm is making me feel right at home. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link in the description box below so that if you're ever in Miami, you can hit it up. As always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That not only tells me that you liked my content and you wanna see more of this type of stuff in the future, but it really, really helps my channel. And if you're not already, go ahead and take a moment to hit that subscribe button below. Thank you again for choosing to be here with me today. I know it's been a while since I've been posting regularly, but I'm getting back on a schedule and I've got a lot of adventures up and I don't want you to miss a thing. Okay? So until next time.